Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Make sure before we do anything else, destroy that like button below and smash that subscribe button, guys. Crypto Eddie just hit 100,000 subscribers. And honestly, guys, a little bit jealous. 24,000 away, but I think maybe we can do that this year. Anyways, guys, next greatest cryptocurrency, Recession Coin. Yeah, I think I'm pretty bullish on Recession Coin now because it is currently in a recession and has already dropped, it seems, about 30%. But I don't know, man. Recession Coin. The next Shiba Inu, I don't know. I mean, at least it's got somewhat of a small supply compared to Shiba Inu. No volume. Barely any market cap. Let's just hope Recession Coin doesn't go into a recession. Even though it probably will. All right, guys. First piece of information today. Shocker, another big hack in the cryptocurrency space because of a very quickly set up platform that didn't really know what they were doing with a little bit of an exploit, just like Luna. And yes, they got attacked and got $150 million stolen. I know this tweet's saying 150, but I've seen other places saying 190 million. Yeah, dude, this is why I don't really invest in other cryptocurrencies. I know diversification is smart, but this is the reason why I just stick with XRP and Ripple because, dude, they've been around for 10 years, never had the network go down, runs flawlessly, low transaction fees, split-second transaction times, incredible decentralization, changing the world, allowing people to send money overseas to their family members who are in need. All right, and getting shit done. But you just got these new projects that pop up, and they claim to be amazing, and they're going to be, doing yield farming and staking and whatnot. And then before you know it, there's a little bit of an exploit, and you got nearly $250 million just vanished overnight. Okay, there's something called NOMAD. Just got drained for $150 million in one of the most chaotic hacks that Web3 has ever seen. How exactly did this happen, and what was the root cause? Allow me to take you behind the scenes. It all started when Officer CIA shared Spreakaway's tweet in the ETH Security Telegram channel, although I had no idea what was going on at the time. Just the sheer volume of assets leaving the bridge was clearly a bad sign. Just a FYI, no bad bridge getting rugged looks very, very sus. Checking it. Seems kind of sus, though. Bitlick behind it? My first thought was that there was some misconfiguration for a token's decimals. After all, it seemed as though the bridge was running a send 0.01 W or wrapped Bitcoin and get 100 wrapped Bitcoin back promotion. However, after some painful manual digging on the Moonbeam network, Moonbeam? That just sounds like a rug pull, man. I confirmed that while the Moonbeam how the hell does $250 million $250 million get onto something called Moonbeam? I'm sorry, man. That's just should have seen that one coming from a mile away, honestly. Moonbeam. If moon's in the name of the cryptocurrency, it's destined to go to zero. Okay. The Moonbeam transaction did bridge out 0.01 Bitcoin. Somehow Ethereum transaction bridged in 100W Bitcoin. Basically, guys, we don't need to read the whole thread here and get into specifics. Yeah, it's a crypto platform. Got completely destroyed, exploited, hacked, $250 million stolen. And this is why you got to be very careful of these coins that very suddenly become a top 100, top 50 coin, and they're just like, oh yeah, hey guys, yeah, I'm the new guy, and yeah, I'm just, I'm normal, worth a couple $1 billion market cap. Yeah, I'm a good coin. Like, I am always very suspicious of coins that very quickly and suddenly rise to the top 50, top 100 cryptocurrencies. Remember Luna? Yeah, dude, that out of nowhere became a top 10 coin. BitConnect, out of nowhere became a top 10 crypto. What happened to both of them? Destroyed, rug, scammed, exited, done. All right. Next piece of information for you guys today. Nice little quote from Ashish Birla here from May 2022. I freaking love Ashish Birla, who is the general manager of RippleNet. Dude, this guy always just drops us good information. Guys, smash the likes right now. Leave a comment down below if you remember the Ashish Birla Amazon partnership leak. Okay, still highly speculative, big theory, but the way he was speaking, he basically name-dropped Amazon as being a customer of Ripple, right? Now, In that video, as soon as he said it, he kind of stumbled on his words, paused, looked very nervous because he's like, oh shit, what did I just say? Yeah, who remembers the Ashish Birla Amazon Ripple partnership leak? I love Ashish Birla because this guy is always dropping bombs, making bold statements, probably saying things that are probably violating some NDAs, but I love it, man. Ashish Birla has consistently dropped this insane information, and one little quote by him is that, I think we have bigger ambitions than replacing Swift. Love to hear it, guys. Absolutely love to hear it. I believe Ripple and XRP will change the entire world of finance, not just cross-border transaction, but dude, you got countries like Colombia that have recently just officially registered land on the XRP ledger. Why are countries doing this? My opinion, blockchain's fast and efficient, obviously, but you can't lie on the blockchain. What is on the blockchain is set in stone. You cannot lie. You cannot roll back transactions. You cannot lie on the blockchain. That's why it is so beautiful. So great to hear from Ripple's GM of RippleNet that much bigger ambitions than just replacing Swift. I mean, replacing Swift in itself is amazing, but they're looking forward from that. Okay. Next one, guys. I do believe you will like this one. And while World War III is trending on Twitter, along with the XRP ledger, the Reserve Bank of India is deploying blockchain technology for smoother payments across borders. I mean, I thought India banned crypto like 5 times, just like China. I don't know what's going on there, but nonetheless, open banking and technology partners are Ripple-enabled platforms. This new use case might be XRP-enabled here. So Reserve Bank of India, I'm going to say 99%. I believe that is the central bank, the Indian central bank. And right there, India is tapping blockchain technology for overseas payments. The product proposes a blockchain-based cross-border payment system leveraging the current infrastructure and ensures frictionless and tamper-proof monitoring capabilities. And you look at their partners. You got Axis Bank, Ripple partner, Yes Bank, Ripple partner, Kotak, yeah, Ripple partner, Visa. They were dropped on a Ripple slide as being a customer, but that's all I can say. But very interesting, guys. Very interesting, guys. From the Central Bank of India. Open is a technology platform. It is not a bank and does not hold or claim to hold a banking license. The business current accounts, Visa, corporate cards, business loans, and other similar banking services, financial services offered on the open platform are provided by RBI licensed banks and financial institutions. All funds in the open power business current account are insured as per limits prescribed under RBI's deposit insurance scheme. The banking services, financial services offered on the open platform are powered by our partner banks, financial institutions, and follows all security standards and legal requirements prescribed by the partner bank financial institution in accordance with extant RBI regulations. Guys, I smell XRP. Okay, I don't know exactly what XRP would smell like, but it's got to smell like money because, yeah, that's they're directly saying this is a project that's being kind of taken under the wing of their partner banks and financial institutions. And right there, you got like nearly 50% of them are confirmed Ripple partners. Okay. It's only going to get better from here, guys. All right, next one for today. A little bit of philosophy here for you guys. Let's just kind of not spend too much time on this, but this was wrote. Jeez, Alex, gotta take an English class, man. Ayn Rand wrote this almost 60 years ago. It's frightening how accurate the statement is today. When you see that in order to produce, you need to obtain permission from men who produce nothing. When you see that money is flowing to those who deal not in goods but in favors. When you see that men get richer by graft and by pull that when you see that men get richer by graft and by pull than by work, and your laws don't protect you against them but protect them against you. When you see corruption being rewarded and honesty becoming a self-sacrifice, you may know that your society is doomed. Sorry for the little hiccup there with this part right here. I think that's that, old school English that we really, it's not really how we talk anymore. Anyways, next one. New 16,000 people signed petition to fire SEC Chairman Gary Gensler over cryptocurrency stance. Guys, everyone hates Gary Gensler. Nobody likes him. Let's just be clear here. And yeah, that's why Gary Gensler is trying to come out with his own little YouTube videos on Twitter about little webinar hour with Gary Gensler, little crypto hour, Gary Gensler, little talk show with Gary Gensler, $100 million somehow on a regular government salary. Yeah, no one likes Gary Gensler. Honestly, I'm glad to see the demise because he's completely overlooking corruption and fraud at his own agency. Nothing much more to say there. Next one. Congressional whistleblower alert. The entire crypto market has been built around criminal behavior at the SEC. Attorney Jeremy summarizes it perfectly here. Not one person in Congress has called for an investigation of the SEC. Retweet. Let them.
Looking at exhibit.
Let's go ahead and give this video a watch, guys. I know this is directly from Jeremy Hogan's YouTube video. I don't mean to like steal his content or anything like that, but I believe we should watch this full 3-minute, 30-second video to really fully understand this tweet that's being put out here that's currently blowing up. Because, yeah, why is no congressman even going after the SEC? Why is nobody touching them? Why does Congress call the SEC for a hearing? Gary Gensler does not even show up. All right, let's go ahead and watch this video.
But B to Deaton's motion. This is an email from the SEC ethics attorney to Director Hinman, and it's pretty clear what she is saying. Quote, "The analysis is the same for Simpson as it's always been. You have a bar under criminal financial conflict with Simpson because you have an ongoing financial interest in the firm. Meeting with them while having such a conflict is not permitted. As we discussed during your briefing, even calls with them are not permitted. And the reason why it was a crime for him to meet with them was because he still had a financial interest in the firm. Actually, he had a quite large financial interest in the firm to the tune of millions of dollars. So certainly a director at the SEC would have stayed away from violating federal law, right?" This is an email from Mr. Bonney with Simpson Thatcher to Director Hinman. Quote, "Great seeing you for lunch. Thanks for making time. How about April 2 for the ad hoc group?" Close quote. Uh-oh. But I guess that meeting was prior to Mr. Hinman receiving that warning from the ethics attorney, so he probably just didn't know. I mean, the warning wasn't until January 2018, and that lunch was late 2017. Oh, shoot, wait. This is from August 2018, 7 months after the warning. Email to William Hinman from attorney Bonney. Quote, "How's it going? Crazy busy as usual? Want to have lunch again sometime?" Close quote. And back at him from Hinman. Quote, "Sounds good. Do any Tuesday or Thursday or even Friday work?" Close quote. And I'll not bore you with anymore with the emails of rich dudes planning to meet for fancy lunches and dinners. I just hope they put as much thought into work as they do the menu at a restaurant. Suffice it to say, there were many more meetings detailed in those emails, which are now part of the court file. And so what, you might say? Well, as it turns out, Simpson Thatcher, the law firm, or Mr. Hinman was very engaged with around 2018, just so happened to be a member of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, the EEA. What is the EEA? Let's ask them. From their website, quote, "The EEA is a member-led industry organization whose objective is to drive the use of enterprise Ethereum and mainnet Ethereum blockchain technology as an open standard to empower all enterprises," close quote. Well, that doesn't look good. Mr. Hinman was illegally meeting with Simpson Thatcher, which was a member of an Ethereum support group, all around the time he was writing a speech which gave Ethereum a non-security designation. Well, that was probably just a coincidence. After all, the Hinman speech also declared Bitcoin a non-security, and surely Simpson Thatcher doesn't have a stake or didn't have a stake in Bitcoin or anything like that. Oh, crap. Look at this tweet from Attorney Deaton. Quote, "In 2019, while Hinman was Director of Corporation Finance, Simpson Thatcher led the IPO of Canaan, a Chinese company that sells Ethereum and Bitcoin mining hardware," close quote. Well, it looks like Simpson Thatcher did stand to benefit from a Bitcoin free pass as well. And just to stay with Deaton's tweet for another second, quote, "Hinman was being paid pursuant to his then profit-sharing arrangement while he was working at the SEC. In a financial arrangement like Hinman's, strict criminal conflict laws are in effect."
Well, guys, there you have it. It's been recently discovered that, yeah, it's not only just the ETH free pass, but also benefit from the Bitcoin one as well. This is why we want the Hinman emails and Hinman drafts so bad, because there's more than 61 drafts of the speech. And we need to find out, was XRP part of that speech at any point in time? And if so, why was it removed? And who wanted it removed? Because at the time of that speech, XRP was the third largest cryptocurrency. Okay, so they go for the number 1 cryptocurrency free pass, number 2 cryptocurrency free pass. Why not the third one? That's why the Hinman emails are so goddamn important. All right, guys, let's get to the next one here. Ripple partner Bank of America says Ethereum needs scalability improvements to hold its market position, while I believe Flare Networks will be the Ethereum killer. Next one from Crypto Eddie, a long list still to make ETH a more powerful system, a more secure system, a more robust system, a more decentralized system. Vitalik states, I'd say it's 55% complete once we finish the merge. So they're going to make this whole entire network shift. Been delaying it for years. Once they actually do it, still won't even be done. Ethereum, I don't believe will hold its market position forever. Ethereum has been supported by, JP Morgan and many large companies in the Ethereum Enterprise Foundation or Ethereum Enterprise Alliance to push it forward. But I think they're coming to the drastic realization that paying $400 for a picture of a cat smoking a cigarette, it's not very robust or powerful like the XRP ledger. All right, guys. Last one for today. A little bit on the global side of things. German foreign minister, in case of aggression from China, Germany will help Taiwan. I got no honest commentary or opinion to say. I'm just showing you guys the news. I hope some World War III doesn't stem off of this, because I don't know, this whole China-Taiwan thing does not seem like it's going to be slowing down anytime soon, because China has been giving very stern warnings to the United States that Pelosi, visiting Taiwan is a huge, huge violation to the China's people, democracy, and whatever. Honestly, I love how, like, China's full-blown communist, but then their central bank is like the People's Bank of China. Like, oh yeah, is it really the People's Bank? Is it really the People's Bank? Oh yeah, how much do the people really own of that bank? Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Thank you for seeing the video today. Would appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.